XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we do the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you would find some links so you can go and check them out. If you want to join the free Telegram channel, you can join here. Check out the brokers, and the link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. So if you want maximum benefits from your Forex trading and gold trading, then you can check out this monthly membership. In the end, coming back to gold here, starting with the top down weekly approach. Weekly, we are going up again. So this week is not done yet. Okay, so you see last week was going down and this week we are going up. What does it mean? It means that until Friday we will carry on going up as per my understanding. Okay, so we are on Thursday right now and I'm assuming that today and even tomorrow will go up. So let's come back to daily chart. In daily, quite clear here. Let me see. This is 3424. This is 3431. So this high broke the previous high, which means pullback. Okay, so yesterday was a pullback day and today we're gonna go up again. Cool, that makes sense. Okay, so if you are if you not trade without any risk, then you can take this previous high at how much 3430. Okay, so right now the price of the gold is 3405. If you don't want any risk, then you can trade gold for until 3430, but it's gonna go up because if I come back to 4 hour now, in 4 hour, you can clearly see that we have completed this pullback. Okay, so in 4 hour, if you come and see, we had the long uptrend. So from here till here uptrend, then we had to take a pullback. After the pullback, this candle which you see is going to eat this red candle. Okay, so if this candle closes above this red candle, that is where you enter buy in gold. And you take your nearest profit or you take your whatever profit. I'm not here telling you when to enter, when to exit for free. I have been telling this to you, but no, people are not grateful. So it's okay. And yeah, this is what I have for you. Trend is up. All the time frames are up. Pullback is done. We are going up. Enter your buy position right now whenever you're watching the video. Okay. This is the beauty, right? This is the pattern, isn't it? I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video, I don't know when. And when we enter trades, that's a different time, okay? So if you want some live action, then make sure you go and join the monthly membership. And if you want some free, then join the Telegram and subscribe and like and share the video with your people or friends who are into trading. Until then, have a good night. Wherever I am, it's a good night here. So just go ahead and make some money and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.